dumpster rental service in Ash Grove, Missouri. When you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Ash Grove, Missouri, Dumpster417 is here to help. We specialize in providing fast, affordable, and efficient waste management solutions for projects of all sizes. Whether you're cleaning out your home, remodeling, or managing a construction site, we have the right dumpster for your needs. Our process is simple, and our team makes waste removal easier than ever. With flexible rental periods and on-time delivery, we ensure your project stays on track. At Dumpster417, you can count on precise, upfront pricing with no hidden fees or surprises. We're committed to ensuring you know exactly what to expect throughout the rental process. We're prepared to meet all your waste removal needs, from small cleanups to large-scale projects. Serving Ash Grove and the surrounding areas, we provide personalized service backed by a local, trusted team. Our deep understanding of the community allows us to cater to your needs and make your experience seamless. Choosing Dumpster417 means more than just getting a dumpster, it means working with a team that cares about your project. Contact 417-501-3867 today to schedule your dumpster rental in Ash Grove, Missouri. Dumpster417, making cleanup simple, efficient, and stress-free.